squeaky dills. Let's see if I can get it on the computer. That is there. Yeah. Let's see how to figure out where the comments come in. Turn volume on. Any comments shall come in there. So you're in charge of keeping an eye on that. Is that going right? I'm sure it'll be interesting to see now. We'll see exactly how far we are behind. Of course, they ring you in the middle of a Facebook Live. Hello from Derry again. Hello, Geraldine. From Kerry to Derry. That's a good TV show, actually. Okay. Hope you're all ready for the meatballs tonight, guys. We'll do a quick run through as well in the middle of this to see what you need. Big pot of boiling water on the go before we start anyway for the pasta. That's pretty much it, I think. We'll have everything else on the go. Okay, let's get started because we're getting hungry. We're going to have a quick lunch. Hello from Armagh, and hello back to you, Etna. I'm looking forward to this. Good Lord, so are we. Very, very simple. You're going to be amazed. Just hi, Adele from sunny Cork, sunny Kerry as well. Hi, Norma, how are you? To Paul and the lads. Yeah, it's a cracking day out there today. I love that headline that was on one of the newspapers today, guys. Go out the back and tan, or stay out the back and tan. It was very good, very catchy. Yeah, so hopefully you're all ready for the meatballs. Okay, Shani, Dills, let's rock August roll, as a fella says. Now, actually get rid of these. This is the fastest you will notice, folks. I don't know what I've done to my foot, but I'm limping a bit, so we're going to be a little bit slower today. Too much gardening yesterday. One piece of salmon. Must get a plate, Dills, mustn't we? I want to show you a really simple dish, guys. It's my lunch, and I just want to show you just how simple it is and how quick you can cook a piece of salmon. That's the normal size you get. It's about maybe anywhere 180, 200 grams, anywhere 7-8 ounces. It's the kind of standard piece you get in your fishmongers all the time. You keep an eye out in the comments, Stills, you too, Shani. Hello. And my good buddy Brazzy sent me a Snapchat yesterday, the day before. I've made himself a lovely caprese salad. I would actually eyeball that stuff to make a caprese salad too. So we're going to make the caprese salad to go with it. You put absolutely anything you want. What is a caprese salad? It's very basically one of the easiest Italian salads you can ever make. Tomato, mozzarella cheese, basil, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil. Fantastic. Did you know that? No. Well, now you do. Keep an eye out. Anything happening? Anybody looking? There's a few coming in. I love doing these kind of, as I said, I know I gave you a 5-minute warning, but it's more, this is just to give you ideas. All these videos stay on our page. I also put them up on YouTube so you can go back to any time you want. But I know we're all shopping at different times throughout the week and all that kind of stuff. So you might turn around if you're going to shopping in 2 days' time, go, oh yeah, I remember that salmon dish the guys made. I think I'll get a bit of salmon and recreate that. So it's just a simple idea. So here we go. So get a sharp knife. 1, 2, 3. You're basically going to cut a slice of tomato as simple as so. And then, so just arrange it like that on your plate, okay? Or any way you want. Don't worry about it. Season. What, Dills? Season. That's the most important thing in cooking. Bit of rock salt. Little twist of the pepper. How simple is this? And then we are going to put a little bit of our mozzarella. You can get this pretty much anywhere, guys. So a little bit of mozzarella. And take out the outside like so. Look at that. Beautiful. I love mozzarella. Lovely creamy cheese. That is enough there. I'll put this here. Dills, get the little blue cloth there and wipe that. Always clean as we go. I'll wash my hands. And you're going to laugh, but that's pretty much our caprese salad finished. We're going to put a few finishing touches to it. But that's why I love the Italians and their food. It is so simple. You don't need 24 ingredients. You just need the right ones with the right seasoning. And And that's all you need. So, turn this on. Is that on? It is. And so I seasoned my tomatoes. I'm just going to put a little pepper over my cheese. Now, salmon. Here we go. Watch this. Dills, throw that over onto the little thing over there beside you. Perfect. Anywhere there is fine, buddy. So now, let's have a look at our salmon. This is the standard piece with the skin on, and we're going to take the skin off. I just want to say to you guys, I know I said it the other day about I've only ever bought my fish from the lads in Star Seafood, right? They're just, and if I've learned nothing else in the last few weeks, the only thing I care about from here on in are the people I surround myself with. These guys are absolutely fantastic. We're out doing the gardening, was it 2 days ago? In arrives Young Ferns, out of the blue, here you are, Paul, thought you might like that, a bag of fish. Gave us salmon, prawns, it was absolutely, for nothing. Just turned around and just went, thought you might like it, there you go. Because I haven't seen the guys since we've closed in almost a month. And he arrives in with a bit of fish. They're the only seafood mongers we have ever bought fish from. Not because their fish is anything spectacular, it obviously is. But if I get a monkfish off them, or a monkfish off another fishmonger in Ballydehob, it's pretty much the same monkfish. It's because of them themselves. They're just brilliant people, and I absolutely love them. No need to do it. Anyway, look, I've taken the skin off, and now I'm going to slice it down in 3. Okay? Kids, you will love this. They're kind of like naked fish fingers, because they've got no breadcrumbs on them. So you basically have a naked fish fingers. You know what you think does? So we're just going to slice it down in 3. Okay? Like so. How easy was that? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Throw that knife over there. I don't need it. Quick rub of the hands. And now, all of a sudden, a little bit of olive oil into our pan. Very simple. So I have a lime in the fridge. Season our fish before we put it on. The most important thing in cooking. I say it all the time on the show on Virgin. Season, season, season.
You got lemon.
A lemon will do. We don't lime? Oh, I think I have a lime under here. So season side down. Yeah, get one over here. Oh, it's over here underneath me. Season side down. And season side down. Now, Shawnee, I want you to get close into the pan. And you will see here on the side it is starting to turn opaque or a slightly different pink color. So that's what we're looking for. So now I season one side. And now I season the other side. So I should have said somebody put on the stopwatch to see how long this is going to take to cook. Season, season, season. Dills over my trusty assistant, Debbie Daniels. Woohoo! That's why Sean look over. Did you even watch him over there, Johnny? Sean's asleep. Now, so watch how we get the colours coming up the side. Absolutely perfect. While we're doing this, we can finish our little bit of caprese salad. So I am taking a few fresh basil leaves. Slice them up, slice them up. Oh, I need my knife again. Just bring me over my knife. And we just, be quiet. Slice it really fine. Do this at the end because basil leaves tend to go black as soon as you chop them up. Now, simple as that. How hard was that? A little bit of sprinkly, sprinkly, sprinkly. Look what we're about to do, guys. We're about to get our salmon and we're about to flick it over. Flick it over. Woohoo! Flick it over. And guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to turn off the heat. I told you it was fast. Those of you who blinked, or those of you who are yawning, missed it. Don't worry, you'll be able to go back on it. Now, finish our little salad. So what's happening, and I know Noel White will love to hear this, it's the residual heat that cooks out that salmon perfectly. So we put a little bit of olive oil. And I do a load of cooking demos, guys, for sports clubs all around the country. And this is one dish that I show all the players different. We did it for under 17s girls there a couple of weeks back. The Kerry squad, a couple of other different clubs that we do it for. And I showed the kids how to do this, just how simple it is to recreate this dish. Now, what we're going to do, this is now, I tell them not to do this, especially when they're training, but we're going to add in a little knob of butter. Okay, simple, simple, simple. And a little bit of balsamic vinegar over our salad. Just a tiny little bit. And the reason why it's only a tiny little bit is because it's pretty much all I have left. Dill's note to self, more balsamic vinegar. Now, how easy was that? It took maybe 2 minutes. And then we get our little plate here. So touch the salmon, touch the food, I'm always telling you. So it should be nice and firm to the touch with just a slight little bit of a give in it. And then I'm going to try and make a presentation for you guys to see nice. Flick it over like so. 1, 2. How simple was this, guys? Which way do I want that one? Does we want that one like so. 1, 2, 3. I told you it would only take minutes. Just the last, how long that take us, Dills?
3 minutes.
Were you surprised at how long that took? I mean, look, not everyone has a dad like me, you know? Okay, so the answer is yes, I'm actually really surprised. Here's our little bit of butter. A little sprinkly dinky. Dills, go over there and get me a spoon. Just a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice or something like that. You serve it with a normal salad. You serve it with a little bit of rocket. Take your time, Dills. There's nobody watching or waiting on you. Thank you very much. Okay, that's your little bit of butter, lime butter. Really simple. If you're one of these health freaks that's worried about your calories right now at the moment, just leave out the lime. You see what I did there? Leave out the lime. I should have said leave out the butter. Oh, jeez. Is anybody else's head fried being with their kids for the last month? Dills, I think you've fallen asleep. And now, just a tiny little bit of a garnish, because I always say, so we've got a nice little bit of flat leaf parsley, like so. Just an idea, guys. It could be a lunch, or it could be a dinner snack, or it could be anything like that. It's more so just to make sure we're all ready for tonight, and my rosemary is still flaring outside. Absolute, how long that take us? A couple of minutes. Cracking little dish. Salad caprese, thanks to Brazzy who gave me the idea of it the other day on Snapchat. And a piece of salmon cooked literally in minutes. We'll have one quick look to make sure everybody's sorted for tonight. There's loads of people watching now.
Telma wants to know what's the make of your knife?
I have no idea. It is Victorinox. I get it in, there's a catering shop there in Killarney, Brennan's. I get all my stuff there. But you can get them in any good shop. Just make sure they're good quality, sharp knives. Don't buy any of these stupid, you know these coloured knives that are blue and red and ridiculous. Good sharp quality knife. You'll have it for ages. Keep it sharp. Anybody who doesn't know how to use their knife, don't let them get a good zoom in and that's anyway people can see.
Deb said, love this, but I always set off the smoke detector when I cook salmon on the stove.
Yeah, well you saw there, Deb, the trick to it is to cut it nice and thin. So you get your standard piece and then just cut it into 3 pieces like that. That was literally done 1.5 minutes on one side and flicked over. So it's a really simple dish, guys. Tonight, make sure we have a pot of boiling water on the go before we get going at the 6 o'clock meatballs. There's loads of people seem really interested in this one, guys. We're going to have a bit of a laugh. Hopefully Dills will be awake. Hopefully Sean will stop yawning by then. What is the size of your kitchen island? I don't know. It's about that size. I think. Yeah, not too sure. It's big enough to play table tennis on it. If you saw last night, Dills was about 7 points behind. Went live and all of a sudden he whipped Sean's ass. That video is there. Love looking at your cooking. Have not tried any of your dishes. Linda, I don't think I should read the rest of this sentence as I'm too fast for you. But it's all here. All the videos are here. So if you can't keep up live, that's fine. Just go back and press pause tomorrow or the next day. All the videos are there. I'm not sure what day it is. Me neither, Eddie. I tell you, it's just nuts. I missed that. What was salad ingredients again? Simple, Alison. A tomato, mozzarella, cheese, a little bit of salt, pepper, olive oil. What else we put onto it? Balsamic vinegar and basil leaves. That salmon looks amazing. Thanks, Norma. Yeah, still a little bit of pink in the middle. Just a little bit pink in the middle. Farmed or wild salmon, not going to lie, Claire. It's farmed, it's organic. It's very hard to get the wild stuff, particularly now at the moment. Can't wait till later. Hopefully, thanks, Mary. Yeah, we'll definitely see you all later. So that's it, guys. A real simple dish. Make sure all the ingredients for tonight, everything you need, will all be there. We'll go on live. I'll probably go on live maybe an hour beforehand with everything up just to show you all set. But that's a simple little lunch idea. Salmon that was cooked, Dill said 3 minutes. Look back, it was probably cooked in about 2.5 with a caprese salad. Enjoy your lunch, guys. Enjoy your day. Get out there and get a bit of sunshine if you can. And we'll see you at 6 for meatballs. See you later.